So your brain is your power company. Off your brain, you have your spinal cord that goes all the way down. And that, just to give you representation of how we're made, that diagram, and I hope everybody's looking at it, it's less than 1% of the actual nerves you have, the green, okay? So you got to imagine every one of your 30 trillion cells is wired to your brain. So if I drew all the green nerves you have, that would be three-dimensionally solid green all the way to microscopic. Is that wild?
That's wild. That's a lot.
Wow. Whole life, your brain is trying to maintain 100% power to 30 trillion cells. It's impossible. There's too much interference in today's world. And it's incrementally getting harder as we go forward. So that's why we're seeing these crazy cases come into play. So first and foremost with these kids, we had to find where the brain was disconnected to different cell groups and get the light energy back restored, whether it's sensory, on a more complex term, or motor, input or output. We had to figure out where the cells were disconnected and get them to connect again. And then, I mean, one of them in particular, he wouldn't even get out of the car. He was so traumatized that he had been through all these blood work and scans, and they didn't know what to do with the kid. And he was so traumatized, I had to go work on him in the car to start. Wow. And then finally he got to where he could come in our office, because he thought we were just going to stick him and stuff, and that's not the clinic we are. And then once he started seeing the results, it was like a wounded dog. You know, he didn't want to touch him. Mm-hmm. But then once he started seeing results, it was like, he's done. Now he knows when something's wrong, he comes and sees it, like, we fix it. Just